You guys like my Lambo? VCR cassette thingy from Japan. And I got a turbo. Ready to see the brakes? Ooh, here they are. So this is the color I went with. Duplicate color engine enamel with ceramic. And then I did some gloss clear. And that's the outcome. So this is how they came out. Not bad. I mean, it looks more blue on camera than in person. In person, it's like a little bit more of green. So that's what I went with. This is the rears. And so this is what it looks like. This is the color. What you guys think? Kind of taped it off. It's not. It's. Bro, this just happened with my nail. This just happened with my nail. This is crazy. I went to put this down and look what happened. Oh, this sucks. Damn, now everybody's gonna be able to see this. Oh, this freaking sucks. But yeah, guys, whatever. This is the color. So we're gonna go try to put it on. Maybe I'm gonna do like a little water test to see if it's gonna, if like when you put pressure, like what is it, like pressure, like water pressure, whatever, if it starts peeling more or what happens. I don't know. Damn, I did this with my nails. So how you guys like that cold start? Anyways, what's up guys, welcome back. As you see, we still don't have our wheel. Unfortunately, look what happened. So it's kind of dirty. It's been raining here in Florida a lot, so, but unfortunately my rear brake gave out. That's what it's looking like right now. I knew it was gonna go out. That's why I got the big brakes with the new pads and everything. I didn't know it was gonna be this soon. I was supposed to have the wheel on, or I was supposed to have the brakes on, but then the wheel decided to give out. And honestly, the big brakes don't clear. I believe they don't clear this one. I was gonna go install it today, but we can't do that. Like you guys saw, it was chipping. Okay, so we brought it out, put it on this the recycling bin, whatever. So as you guys saw, it kind of chipped here. We're gonna get la manguera, the hose, and we are going to spray it real quick because I want to see if like pressure from the water chips it off. Why am I doing this? Because if I put it on the car and I wash the car, even with the pressure washer that I have here, and it starts chipping off, well, yeah, we got some big problems. Because then we gotta retake it off to get it repainted, or take it somewhere and they gotta retake it off, whatever. All right, here we go. Florida, so the water's hot. But yeah, look at this. I'm all wet. It's wet, but it didn't come off with the pressure. Hopefully, if I use the pressure thingy majigger, the pressure washer, pressure washer, right? Yeah, the pressure washer, if I use it, hopefully it doesn't chip off. You imagine it didn't chip with this, but if I use the pressure washer, it chips off. I'll be upset, like super upset. Anyways, it held a water test. Shoot.
Can you not?
So I don't want that to be looking like that. I want it to look perfect, a-okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send out the brakes to be professionally painted by a professional. It'll be, the color will be similar, but this just sucks. Look at this. And this tire keeps going flat, so I gotta check that. So I'm gonna do a little test. I'm gonna put that little ramp on this side to have that go completely in and see if this touches. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but oh no, it's over here. Like, if it's that, because when there's people in here and the car's lower and I get like into like a dip or whatever, it'll like rub. So I don't know if this caused, if that, for example, that caused my other tire to fail. I want to see what's going on, if it touches anything or whatever. So, well, we actually have one part that we got to install that you guys don't know yet. I showed like a little glimpse of it, but you haven't seen it. But that's where we're at right now, guys. We have to do those couple things. There's something I gotta do with this as well, so you know, so it can look better. And then we gotta do something with this car as well. So trying to get a rear diffuser, exhaust for it, and we're gonna try to lower it. Hopefully, first I'll probably do like the exhaust and the rear diffuser. I'll probably either get a single and then tune the car. But yeah, that's where we're at. For this car, a couple things coming, and then for this one, a couple more things coming. They're on their way already. Man, yo, it's so hot outside. Like, I'm literally sweating. Like, I'll probably have to take a shower before I go to the movies. We're gonna watch Fast 9 today. We're gonna watch the 4DX. It's gonna be super dope, super cool. But yeah, you know what I want to do? I want to go to a meet. Not like this though. I gotta get my wheel repaired. I gotta get. Oh, that's another thing. So I was gonna tell you guys, that was like the purpose of this video anyways. The wheel. So the tire was supposed to get here like a week and a half ago, almost 2 weeks, and it still hasn't gotten here. They said it's supposedly stuck at UPS, FedEx, I don't know where, but it's supposedly stuck there. That sucks, because honestly we gotta put the brakes on, and the only way we can clear the brakes is with that. I was just gonna give it until Monday, or I'll just get a used wheel, 30-40 bucks somewhere, put it on, run it like that for a while. When I get the new one, I'll probably put it on. Don't mind me if you guys see my eyes kind of closed, like super bright. Like I say on my post on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram. I do post pictures of the car. I post things of the car, what I get, what I'm gonna do, whatever. So follow me down here at Real G Maxine, so you guys can keep up to date what I'm doing with the car, what I got. But guys, that's where we're at right now. The wheel is still not here, it's on hold. The brakes, you saw it was done. Did you guys like the color? Comment down below if you like the color of the brakes, or should I switch it up? I still got time, because I think I'm gonna drop it off either tomorrow or Tuesday. Comment down below what you think is better as well, powder coating the brakes or painting them. Now it's like professionally painted, like the way they're supposed to be, or powder coated, which they gotta take the caliper apart, which I don't know how I feel about that. So they gotta take the caliper apart. But comment down below what you think is better, powder coating or painting, professionally painting. Not me painting it, because you saw what happened. Professionally painted. Oh, this AC feels so good. Like you can see, I already kind of like stopped sweating anyway. And what else you guys want to see on the car? You know, bro, this kid in this damn motorcycle. But yeah, comment down below, guys. So what you guys think of the color, what you guys think of powder coating or painting the brakes, what you guys think of me driving the car the way it is. Comment down below. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.